Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on xbanner.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, let's watch the video till then, because by then you will be able to know about the legitimacy of the site portal. Xbanner is a popular company that actually offers fitness equipment at affordable prices. Like, it provides an unparalleled range of fitness equipment. Like, they have different machines, treadmills, exercise bikes, and much more, and the equipments are designed in a manner that can perfectly fit your needs. So let's check out the specification of this website. It is HTTP secured website. The website offers fitness equipment like elliptical machines, treadmills, exercise bikes, in addition to the product for outdoor sports, home and living products, coolers, drums, Hawaiian products. For contact, you can contact on the email address. The positive feature of the site are it is HTTP secured website. It has a user-friendly design. Fitness products are provided at affordable and cheap rates. The website lists the terms and condition, refund and shipping policy clearly. Negative features of the website are it does not have any presence on social media sites. The reviews available on internet is negative. The information or the content listed has plagiarism. There is no information or customer review for individual products available on the website for the user to gain complete information about what the user think about the product. So the question is Banner.com legit? As far as trust score is concerned, it is just 1%. Recently created website on 14th August 2021 and it will expire on 14 August 2022. Like, its life expectancy is very short. The website does not have any customer reviews under their product, and there are views on the internet on Trustpilot which are negative. Here, customers stated that they did not receive the scooter they ordered, and the total rating is about 2.6. So, in a final verdict, we can say that by discussing all the criteria, the website claims that they sell exercise equipment does come across as a questionable website. So, herein it is recommended for you that you should conduct a thorough research on your own behalf. Like, you can make a thorough research, detailed research at your own to check out the legitimacy of this website. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your experience and views with us regarding this website. Write in the comment box.